if you're experiencing login failures in Overwatch 2, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your chances of logging in successfully. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Blizzard website or social media channels to check if the Overwatch 2 servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. Running an outdated version can lead to login problems. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're currently using Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 5. Clear cache and reset settings. If the problem persists, try clearing the cache of your game client or resetting the game settings to default. This can help eliminate any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login issues in Overwatch 2. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.